na talaga dito sa karnabal.
Karnabal daw, Mami.
Karnabal.
Bakit? Karnabal din naman ang tawag dito sa Tagalog, ha?
Sabagay. Oy, ikaw ha, Junior ha. Malaking lugar to, baka pakalat-kalat ka, mawawala ka.
Ay.
Kakapit ka sa mami mo.
Kakapit ako kay mami. Ikaw din, daddy ha. Kumapit ka rin ha. Baka ka mawala eh.
Kapit-kapit na tayo tatlo.
Ay, sige. Kapit-kapit.
Supervise children. Please hold on to hats, glasses, or any loose items that could fall from the tram. If an article should fall, please stay seated until the next stop and inform the nearest cast member, or raise your hand to alert the driver. Thank you.
Ang ganda ng ride.
Driving and turn is clear.
Ito naman yung ibang mga bata, behave,
Oo nga.
Kaya dapat behave ka rin, ha?
Yes, mami. Hawak. Hawak tayo. Masyang ko dating. Ay!
Ha? Anak ko to si JR.
JR?
JR?
Nauna siya?
Halika, tingnan natin.
Hey.
Can you please help us?
What's the problem?
We're looking for our son. He's lost.
What does he look like?
Well, he's got 2 eyes, 2 ears, 1 nose, 2 hands, like us.
No, I mean, what does he look like? Does he look like you or you?
Well, he looks like Ariana.
No, he looks like our driver.
Okay, I'll do my best to find your son.
Okay, please help us.
Okay.
Please help us.
magtagtaguan lang tayo.
Junior, hirap kami sa paghahanap sa'yo. Ako.
Hindi ko na mga alam na ganun malaki-laki itong Star City. Nahirapan ako ngabulin kayo eh. Oo.
Anak, Star City to. Disneyland to.
Hindi ito Star City.
Disneyland nga ito. Ano ka ba?
Sabi niya dadaling niya ako sa Star City. Inuunod. Dadaling niya ako. Gusto ko sa Star City. Gusto ko eh.
Anytime, anyone, anyhow. Halika manood at sumigaw. Anywhere in the world, everybody in the house. Click and subscribe now. You know. Click and subscribe now.